Now let's look at this example. So if you are given fx equal to modulus x minus 2, so as before, so you must let fx1 equal to fx2. So from here you have modulus x1 minus x1 minus 1 minus 2 equal to modulus x2 minus 1 minus 2. So from here you can cancel off this negative 2 and negative 2 at both sides. So you have modulus x1 minus 1 equal to modulus x2 minus 1. So you have to square both sides. So if you square both sides, then you have x1 minus 1, and then you have square equal to x2 minus 1 square. So you have to square both sides so that you can now let's look at this function. So this time we have modulus function. So what you do, you'll do the same. Now let's look at this function. This time we have modulus function. So we do the same. So you have to let fx1 equal to fx2. So you'll get modulus x1 minus 1 minus 2 equal to modulus x2 minus 1 minus 2. So you simplify this, then you'll get modulus x1 minus 1 equal to modulus x2 minus 1. So you square both sides, then you'll get x1 minus 1 minus 1, and then you have square equal to x2 minus 1 square. So you have to expand this until you get x1 squared minus 2x1 plus 1 equal to x2 squared minus 2x plus 1. So you can simplify this. By 1 minus 1, you'll get 0. So here you shift all the right hand side terms to the left hand side. Then you'll get this as this: x1 squared minus 2x1 minus x2 squared plus 2x squared equal to 0. You can factorize this: x1 squared minus x2 squared. So this is 1, and then take out 2. So you have 2, and then x1 minus x2 equal to 0. We have to factorize x1 squared minus x2 squared as x1 minus x2 and multiply by x1 plus x2 minus 2x1 minus x2 equal to 0. You can factorize by taking out x1 minus x2. So you have x1 minus x2, and then you open big bracket. So inside is x1 plus x2 and then minus 2 equal to 0. So close the big bracket. So from here you will get x1 is equal to x2 Or you can have x1 is equal to 2 minus x2. Since fx1 equal to fx2 does not imply x1 equal to x2, therefore fx is not one-to-one function.